Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Speaking Way Extra. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank? You know the words, you've learned the grammar, you've watched so many videos, but still, speaking feels difficult. If this sounds like you, then today's video is going to change something important, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share a simple daily practice, not hours, not complicated rules, just a few minutes every day. And if you follow this consistently, your speaking will start to feel natural. You won't have to search for words, you won't freeze in conversations, and slowly, confidence will come. It may sound small, but this is exactly how real fluency begins. So don't overthink, just stay with me till the end, because this simple habit can quietly change your English. Let's begin. So, now let's understand something very important. Why can just 10 minutes actually change your English? Because most people think learning means long hours, big books, difficult grammar. But real learning doesn't work like that. Your brain doesn't improve from long study. It improves from daily contact. Small, regular, repeated exposure. Think about it. If you touch English every single day, even for 10 minutes, your brain stays active in English. Words connect faster, sentences feel familiar, speaking becomes easier. But if you study only once in a while, your brain resets again and again. That's why 10 minutes daily is more powerful than 2 hours once a week. And here's something most people ignore. In 1 month, 10 minutes a day becomes 300 minutes. That's 5 hours of real practice. Now imagine this. 5 hours where your brain is actually active, not just watching, but learning. That's how change happens. And if you stay till the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to use these 10 minutes to start speaking naturally. Now let's move to something deeper. What is the real goal here? Most learners focus on knowing English. They want grammar, they want vocabulary, they want to pass tests. But fluency is not about knowing, it's about using. You don't become fluent by understanding, you become fluent by doing. So the goal of this 10-minute routine is simple: to make English feel natural, to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English. And the best part? You don't need a teacher, you don't need a classroom, you don't need expensive courses. You can do this anywhere, at home, in your room, on a bus, even while walking. And this is exactly why you should not skip this video, because this is something you can actually use daily. Now let's break it down. I will show you a simple 10-minute routine. You can follow it step by step or adjust it to your life. But one rule is important: consistency. Now step 1, listening. Just 2 minutes. Choose something simple, a short video, a small dialogue, something you can mostly understand. You don't need to understand everything. Just focus on how English sounds, the rhythm, the tone, the flow of sentences, because your ear needs training first. And here's a powerful tip. Repeat the same audio for a few days. Don't chase new content every day. Repetition makes things natural. And this is where most people go wrong. They consume too much, but repeat too little. Now step 2, speaking. Again, just 2 minutes. Take a few sentences and say them out loud. Even if you feel awkward, speak. Copy the sound, copy the rhythm. Don't think too much, because your mouth needs practice, not your mind. Now listen carefully. If you are still watching this, you are already doing something different. Most people quit early, but you stayed. And that's exactly why you will improve. So do one thing. Pause this video right now and tell me in the comments, why are you learning English? You can write in any language. I will read it and I will reply, because your reason matters. So, let's continue from where we left. Now you already understand why 10 minutes matter. But now comes the real part, how to turn it into real speaking. Step 3, make it personal. Because if English stays outside your life, you will forget it. But the moment you connect it to your life, it starts staying. For example, if you hear a sentence like, I wake up early, don't just repeat it, change it. Say, I wake up at 7. I don't wake up early on weekends. Now it becomes yours. And this is where most learners fail. They repeat, but they don't personalize. That's why they forget. But you are doing it differently. And that's exactly why you should watch till the end, because this small step is what turns practice into real speaking. Now, step 4, free speaking. This is where things feel uncomfortable, and that's a good sign, because now you are not copying, you are creating. Just speak. Talk about your day, what you did, what you see, what you plan. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it should not be perfect, because fluency doesn't come from perfection, it comes from flow. At first, you will stop. You will think. You will search for words. That's normal. But if you keep going, your brain starts connecting faster. And slowly, speaking becomes easier. Now listen carefully. If you only watch videos, nothing changes. But if you speak, even 2 minutes daily, your brain starts thinking in English. And here's something most people don't realize. Even if you just listen to this video twice a day, while walking, while resting, even before sleep, your brain is still learning, silently. Because repetition creates familiarity. So don't stop this. Keep listening, keep repeating, and now let's move forward. Step 5, reflection. This is simple but powerful. Just ask yourself, what felt easy today? What felt difficult? Where did I stop? You don't need to write everything. Just think. Because when you reflect, your brain organizes learning. And the next day, you improve faster. Now let me ask you something honestly. Do you really think fluency comes from one big effort? No. It comes from small, repeated, daily actions. That's why this works. Because repetition builds confidence, consistency builds memory, speaking builds fluency, and personalization makes it stick in your life. This is not theory. This is how real learners improve. And if you follow this daily, even for just 10 minutes, your English will change. Not in one day, but slowly, naturally, permanently. And again, remember this. Even if you don't practice actively every time, just listening to this video daily, twice, your mind is still learning. So stay connected. Don't break this chain. Because most people quit right before progress starts. But you won't. So, here is the real secret. It's not about doing something big. It's about doing something small, again and again. Most people don't fail because they don't know. They fail because they don't stay consistent. And before we finish, let me show you something very important. 3 mistakes that silently stop your English. Mistake number 1, skipping days. You feel motivated one day, you practice, then you stop for 3 to 4 days, and suddenly, everything feels hard again. This is where most people lose, because fluency is not built in one day, it's built daily. So the solution is simple. Even if you are busy, just do 5 minutes, because something is always better than nothing. Mistake number 2, waiting to be perfect. I will speak when my grammar is better. No, that day never comes, because speaking creates fluency, not waiting. Your sentences will be messy, you will make mistakes, and that's exactly how you grow. So stop chasing perfection, start chasing progress. Mistake number 3, boring practice. If you feel bored, your brain disconnects, and if your brain disconnects, you don't learn. So make it personal. Talk about your life, your dreams, your problems, because when English connects to your life, it stays. Now listen carefully. This is your turning point. You don't need a magic app. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a classroom. You just need 10 minutes. 10 minutes of listening, 10 minutes of speaking, 10 minutes of trying. Do it for 7 days. You will feel the change. Do it for 30 days. People will notice. Do it for 6 months. Your English will not be the same. Because language is not learned in books. It is built in small, daily moments. While walking, while sitting, even while brushing your teeth. So don't wait. Start today. Now, before you leave, let's quickly understand what you learned today. Today you learned how just 10 minutes daily can improve your English, how to listen, how to speak, how to connect English to your life, and how to stay consistent without pressure. And where can you use this? In your daily life? When you are alone? When you are thinking? When you are walking? Because this method fits into your life, and that's why it works. Now I want to ask you something, and answer honestly. First question, what is stopping you from speaking English right now? Second question, will you try this 10-minute practice for the next 7 days? Write your answer in the comments, and listen, no one will judge you here. You can write in any language. I will read it, and I will reply. This is your safe place to grow. And one more thing, if you have not watched the 103 sentences shadowing practice video, then you are missing something powerful. That video will train your mouth. This video trains your system. So go and watch that video now, and then come back here again. Because if you really want to speak English, you need both. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep going, and don't stop now. Bye, my friend.